4. Timer mode. After adding the water and coffee beans or powder, turn on the machine. 12 o'clock will flash on the display screen. Press the hour and minute buttons to set the current time. Note: long press to adjust the time faster. Adjust the cup number, concentration, and the coffee mode. Long press the timer button to enter the timer mode. The time on the display will flash again. Set the desired startup time immediately by pressing the hour and minute buttons, or the machine will quit the timer mode after flashing for several times. The time cycle is 12 hours. Notice the switch between the AM and PM. Press the timer button again. The timer is confirmed and the appliance enters into automatic mode. The timer button turns to red and the clock icon appears. The screen will display the current time. You can long press the timer button to check the set timer. After confirming, the coffee mode can be adjusted, but the concentration and cup number cannot be adjusted. Unless you quit the timer mode by pressing the timer button once, the button will turn to white. When the preset time is reached, the screen will illuminate and the machine will automatically start to grind or brew. The red timer indicator turns to white, and the on/off indicator turns to red. The clock icon disappears and the coffee icon appears.